You're running a home service business. You're juggling schedules, invoices, customer complaints, and a million other things. It's chaos, right? So, you're probably wondering, can Housecall Pro save me from this madness? And more specifically, is Housecall Pro cloud-based? Let's dive in. Imagine this, you're on a job site, hands greasy, phone ringing. It's a customer freaking out about a clogged drain. In the past, you'd have to scribble down the details, remember to input it into your system later, and hope you don't lose the scrap of paper. With a cloud-based system like Housecall Pro, you can input the job right there, assign a technician, and even send an estimated arrival time, all while the customer is still on the line. But is Housecall Pro actually cloud-based? Let's break it down. What does cloud-based even mean? Think of the cloud as a giant, always-on computer in the sky. Your data, instead of being stored on your local device, is stored on these remote servers. This means you can access your information from anywhere with an internet connection. Your phone, your office computer, your grandma's iPad, it doesn't matter. So, is Housecall Pro in the cloud? Short answer, yes. Housecall Pro is a cloud-based field service management software. This means all your data, customer information, job schedules, invoices, payments, and more is stored and managed on remote servers. Why is this a big deal? Accessibility. Need to check a customer's history while you're on a job? No problem. You can access it from your phone. Real-time updates. Changes made in the office are instantly reflected on your text phone and vice versa. No more out-of-sync information. Data security. Cloud providers invest heavily in security. Your data is often more protected in the cloud than on your local hard drive. Scalability. Your business grows? No problem. Cloud-based systems can easily handle increased data and users. Collaboration. Multiple users can access and update information simultaneously, improving teamwork. Housecall Pro, a deeper dive. While being cloud-based is a huge plus, let's talk about what else Housecall Pro offers. Scheduling. Easily create, modify, and optimize job schedules. Dispatching. Assign jobs to the right technician based on skills and location. Invoicing and payments. Create professional invoices and accept payments on the spot. Customer management. Store customer information, history, and preferences. Marketing. Send automated emails and texts to customers. Is Housecall Pro right for you? Housecall Pro is a powerful tool, but it might not be perfect for everyone. Consider your business size, the complexity of your operations, and your budget. There are other cloud-based options available, and some might better suit your specific needs. Housecall Pro is indeed a cloud-based software. This, combined with its robust feature set, makes it a strong contender for many home service businesses. But as always, do your research and weigh your options before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.